Welcome back to the channel, lovely people. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and it's yet another week. So we're starting again with the cocktails. I don't know if you watched my last video on Sunday making a delicious raspberry syrup, but if you didn't, make sure you check it out. Anyway, today we're doing one of my favorite, I always say, pretty much for every cocktail, but yes, it's a favorite of mine, Amaretto Sour. A very easy peasy cocktail for you to prepare at home and enjoy during the summer or any time of the year, to be honest. All you need is Amaretto Disaronno, some freshly squeezed lemon juice and egg white. So when I say egg white, many people kind of pull back. Don't be afraid of the egg white, okay? Nothing wrong with it, it's absolutely fine. And let me give you a little kind of a secret. You can do the Amaretto Sour without egg white, it's absolutely fine, but it won't be that creamy and nice and fluffy as with the egg white. Also, if you're not a big fan of fresh eggs and egg white, you can easily buy pasteurized egg white, which is staying longer, and it's absolutely fine to use it for cocktails or do some cooking, meringues, and whatever you decide. Coming in the box, so you have plenty to enjoy. However, I'm using a fresh egg because I'm not a bar. Usually bars and places which serve a lot of sour cocktails use it because it's turning around very quick. If you're having a drink now and then, maybe stick to the fresh egg like I will do. So let's start making it, no wasting time. As I mentioned, it's a very easy peasy cocktail. Doesn't require much except a little bit more shaking in this case, and you'll see why. So 60 ml of Amaretto Disaronno, it's going to your shaker. The cocktail is based only on Amaretto Disaronno and it's Amaretto Sour, so nothing else going in, no other ingredients, no other spirit, liqueur, anything. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, 30 ml. So 60 ml of Amaretto, 30 ml of lemon juice, half of the amount of the spirit or the liqueur. In this case is the same with the whiskey sour, but this is a different video, okay? 1 egg white, or if you're using pasteurized egg, 15 ml, okay? 15 to 20 ml of the pasteurized egg, it's absolutely fine. I'm using a fresh egg white, so I'm just gonna drop it in and that's it. And of course you need one more ingredients, any aromatic bitter. I'm using Angostura aromatic bitters, but you can use any aromatic bitters, and you have two choices. You can put a dash or two inside in the mix, or when you shake it, you can put dash or two on the top as a garnish, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one dash in the mix, and then I'm gonna put a few drops on the top as a kind of a decoration of the cocktail. So there you go, one dash of Angostura aromatic bitters. And now we need ice. So let's put some ice here. Put a good amount of ice so you can shake it good, because we're doing reverse shaking as we know it. Once we shake with ice to break the egg and all the ingredients and cool it down, and then we're gonna throw the ice away and shake it without ice. So let's first do the ice shake, and then you have to put some power here, okay? So let's do it. Ooh. Yes! Oh, whew. We gotta break this egg, we gotta make it frothy. Now what we need to do, get the strainer and strain the liquid, keep the ice away. Some small ice is gonna pass through, but don't worry about it because we're gonna do a double strain after, okay? There you go. Brilliant. Gotta put my strainer on the side, and this ice we don't need anymore, so I'm just gonna put the ice away and we're gonna shake again. This is gonna help to frothy the egg white, okay? Very quiet. There's no ice, but it's already chilled, the cocktail, and this is gonna help the egg to froth even more. So now all we need is a glass. I had a glass in the beginning, which I realized it's too big for the cocktail, so I've changed it. I don't know if you kind of realize it's happened. That's the power of video editing. Anyway, fill up your glass with ice. You have a good amount of ice inside. You want to keep the cocktail chill. And we're gonna do a double strain now, just because if any of the ice is left from before when we shake with ice, we want them away. So we don't want any of the ice inside. And just pour your cocktail. Look at that nice creamy top coming from the egg white. It's fantastic. As I say, use pasteurized egg if you don't want fresh one. You'll be absolutely the same result, no problem at all. However, it's the cocktail which requires a good shake, definitely good shake, to get this creaminess and all this frothy top of the egg white. Lovely. And this is it. Now all it's left is to garnish. So I'm gonna garnish with a dehydrated lemon wheel, because I do like dehydrated lemon wheels. First of all, because they look pretty. Second, you can keep them for longer. And for some kind of a preparation, I should be having one out and not put it on the bottom of my jar. But that's the joy of getting messy, doing live videos and don't get prepared. Wonderful, isn't it? Here we go, oranges. So just one on the top. And of course, I said I'm gonna drop just a few drops of Angostura on the top. Just like a decoration, it's gonna make a nice kind of a 4 little drops on the top. Beautiful. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. The wonderful, easy peasy Amaretto Sour. Nearly said whiskey sour. I nearly say it, but it's Amaretto Sour. It smells fantastic, almonds, refreshing. Can we hear that? Wow. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a helicopter just passed. I think it's because the hospital is next to me. I presume it's the one which usually come in and out all the time. Oh, whoa, whoa, what a beauty. The Amaretto Sour, it's fantastic cocktail. This almond lovely liqueur, it's already sweet. And with the lemon mix, you have like a sweet and sour, creamy taste from the egg white. It's just, fantastic. Enjoy your week. I'll see you on Friday with a new video. And make sure you subscribe if you didn't already. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the small bell so you get notified, because cocktails coming usually Tuesday, Friday on the channel, and every Sunday I'm presenting to you homemade ingredients. And this Sunday we're gonna make homemade grenadine or homemade mint syrup. I didn't decide yet. Both of them will happen, just don't know which one is gonna come first. I will get this Amaretto Sour now, have a drink, and think about it. Should I do grenadine? Should I do mint syrup? I don't know. I'll decide. One way or another, you'll see them both. Until next time, guys, make sure hit the subscribe button. See you later. Bye.